Let's keep following God, no matter how hard, wherever you are. Stop and pray, need a change from the same old things. Nana has pearls. Nana got them pearls. Nana got pearls. She got some wisdom for you. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hello, my babies. Come on in. Sit with Nana for a minute. Thank you for visiting me today. Now today, we're going to talk about something that don't get said enough, especially in the house of God. Kind words. Because I have been seeing some things, and oh baby, it just don't sit right in my spirit. Folks quick to say, I love the Lord. I'm a child of God. I stand on His word. But then turn right around and tear somebody down with their mouths, talking about people, judging people, speaking harshly because they don't agree or don't understand. Now how we gonna carry God and not carry His heart? See, the Bible tells us in Ephesians 4:29, let no corrupt communication proceed out of your mouth, but that which is good for the use of edifying. That means, baby, if it ain't building somebody up, it doesn't need to come out your mouth. And then over in Proverbs 15:1, a soft answer turns away wrath. But some folks, they ain't giving soft answers, they give sharp tongues, and wonder why there's so much division. Let Nana tell you something. Correction ain't the problem. Now let Nana go a little deeper with you, because some folks will say, I'm praying for you. But in their heart, they already decided you getting what you deserve. That ain't prayer, baby. That's judgment dressed up. See, real prayer comes from a place of compassion, not quiet satisfaction. You shouldn't be talking to God about somebody while secretly feeling good about what they are going through. And then there's those who love to point out somebody else's wrong just to make themselves look right, highlighting faults, bringing up mistakes, keeping a record of what somebody did so you can feel a little higher. But baby, that ain't holiness, that's pride. Because the Bible tells us in Matthew 7:3, why do you look at the speck in your brother's eye, but not consider the plank in your own? It's easy to see somebody else's mess when you ain't dealing with your own. But a godly heart don't rejoice in somebody falling. It prays for restoration. It prays for healing. It prays the same mercy it needed for itself. So be careful, baby, not to use somebody else's struggle, somebody else's pain as a stepping stone for your own image. Because God ain't measuring you against them. He's looking at your heart. It's the spirit you do it in. Because over in Galatians 5:22, it talks about the fruit of the Spirit: love, joy, peace, long-suffering, gentleness, goodness. Now, baby, if what's coming out your mouth don't sound like that, you might need to check what's growing in your spirit. Because being right don't give you the right to be mean. And having a different view don't make somebody your enemy. We are supposed to be known by our love, not our opinions. Even Jesus corrected people, but He never lost compassion. So before you speak on somebody, before you post, before you comment, ask yourself, is this coming from love or from my flesh? Because one builds and the other destroys. And baby, God ain't pleased with destruction dressed up as righteousness. Kind words ain't weakness. They're evidence of who you belong to. All right now, Nana done said enough. Hope you can give me a amen. If not, just say ouch. But let that ouch be the recognition of something you are willing to heal. The pearl for today just wants you to remember, we must speak like we represent him, not just claim him. Until next time, love ya. Bye.